Everyone, welcome to Easy Explanation. So in last video we covered SQL command part 1, and in that video we covered two commands type, that is DDL command and DML command. Okay, so we have already covered this in previous video, that is SQL command part 1. So today we are going to complete this SQL command part 2. So here I'm going to cover remaining two types of command, that is DCL command and TCL command. Okay, so let's start with DCL command. So DCL, it stands for data control language. Okay, so it includes the command like grant and revoke. So what are these commands useful for? So these commands are used to give right and permissions. They are going to give the right and permissions. So we have got two commands, that is grant and revoke. So let's study about both the commands in detail with an example. So first command is first command is grant command. So what does this grant command do? So it is used to give user access privilege to a database. So if you want to give any user access privilege to a particular database, you can use grant command. What is the syntax of this grant command? So the syntax is grant. Okay, we can select or update any operation you can choose. You can select or update on what type of grant you want to give. So you can select, you can write that select or update on the table name. Okay, to whom you want to give it, to some user. Okay, for example, if you are going to write this grant command, you can write grant select on, suppose the table name is users, grant select on users to, you can write the user name. Okay, so this is a type of a grant command. Let's go to the next command, that is revoke command. So what is a revoke command and what it is used to do? So next is revoke. Okay, so it takes the permission, it takes back the, we can say it takes back the permission from user. Okay, so you can write this revoke command, the command, suppose if you want to do the programming, you can write it like this: revoke, suppose what type of command you want to take, select or update, you can write anyone also, select or update on which table, student table, from IT or from finance, you can write like this. Okay, so you are going to take this permission or access the permission to access the database for using this revoke command. Next command is TCL command. So TCL command stands for transaction control language. Okay, and it deals with the transaction within the database, and generally we have got three commands for this. One is commit command, second one is rollback command, and third one is save point command. Okay, so let's write the syntax of all these three commands. So first command is commit command. Okay, so commit command, it is used to save all the transaction to a database. So its general syntax is commit. Simply you can write commit here. So for example, if you are going to do any query, for example, if you are going to write a query that is delete from employee table. Okay, what you want to delete for employee table where employee ID equals to 1. So if this is the command, what it is going to do, it is going to delete the employee ID information from this employee table. And after writing this, you can write the command commit. So it is going to save the transaction to the database. Okay, next command is B number command, it is rollback. rollback. Okay, so rollback command, it allows you to undo the transaction. If the transaction has not been saved to database, you can always undo the transaction. Okay, so you can apply the simple syntax for this is rollback. Sorry, it should be together, rollback. Similarly, as we wrote combine, you can also write any command and then write rollback. Third number is save point command. Okay, this command helps you to set a save point. We can say set a save point within transaction. If you are doing any transaction, you can always set a save point where you want to save that. Okay, for example, the syntax will be save point and roll number of student. From student table you can save point the roll number part. Fine, so these are the general syntax of these are all the commands, and there is one more command, that is DQL command, that is data query language. Okay, and this is used to fetch the data. So there is a single command for this which is very famous, that is select command. Okay, so we are going to learn about various examples. So in next video, typically I am going to solve a number of questions along with explaining the various commands that we use in our database. So that will come in the part 3 video, that is SQL command part 3. Okay, till then stay safe and thank you.